In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Payoneer statement. By the end, you'll be able to export a clean monthly summary of your activity in just a few clicks, either as a PDF for easy viewing or a CSV for spreadsheets and accounting tools. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Payoneer. In the results, click the official Payoneer website. To make sure you're in the right place, check that the address bar shows the correct domain and that your connection is secure. Avoid sponsored links that don't clearly point to the official site. On the home page, select Sign In. Enter the email address associated with your account and your password, then proceed. Keep your credentials private and enter them only on the secure Payoneer sign-in page. If you're asked to complete additional verification for security, follow the prompts and you'll land on your account dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the top navigation and open the Manage menu. This is where Payoneer groups key account tools, including the reporting options we need. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to tap the menu icon first to reveal it. Next, choose Reports and Statements. Here you'll see a list of available reports. Select Monthly Statement. This report gives you a concise month-by-month snapshot, including opening and closing balances, transactions, and fees. It's ideal for bookkeeping, reconciliations, or sharing with your accountant. You'll now choose the details for your statement. First, select the currency balance you want. If you hold multiple balances, like USD, EUR, or GBP, pick the one relevant to the report you need. Then select the month and year. If you're looking for a very recent month, remember that statements may appear once the period is finalized, so check again later if it's not listed yet. Finally, choose your file format and download. Pick PDF if you want a ready-to-read, print-friendly document that preserves the layout. Pick CSV if you plan to open the data in Excel, Google Sheets, or import it into accounting software. Click Download, and your file will save to your browser's default Downloads folder. If nothing appears, check for a pop-up or download blocker, or confirm your browser's download location. Consider renaming the file, for example Payoneer USD 202603, to keep your records organized. That's it. You opened Payoneer, signed in securely, navigated to Manage, chose Reports and Statements, selected Monthly Statement, set your currency and date, and downloaded the file format that fits your workflow.